We're going to the Supreme Court now. The justice appeared divided over the charges against some of the January 6 protesters in arguments yesterday. That's a decision, when it comes, it could affect Donald Trump's federal election interference case. Senior national correspondent Terry Moran is at the court. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning, George. It was a good day here. It looked like it for many of the January 6 defendants, maybe even for Donald Trump. The conservative justices on the Supreme Court were sharply skeptical of the way the Department of Justice has been using a felony obstruction law that was written to address financial crimes, but has been used more than 300 times to prosecute January 6 defendants, including Donald Trump. So at issue here, whether that law enacted to prevent things like the destroying of evidence in business crimes or witness tampering can be used to prosecute those who disrupted or attempted to disrupt the certification of the 2020 election. Joseph Fisher, a former police officer who breached the Capitol that day, he brought the case, and his attorney argued that the Justice Department has gone too far here and that attempting to disrupt the certification of elections is a very different thing than tampering with evidence in a business law case. The court's conservative majority, however, seemed very sympathetic to the police officer's case. Justice Samuel Alito, in particular, kept raising the possibility that the Justice Department could go after peaceful political protesters, including maybe hecklers in the Supreme Court itself who are obstructing official proceedings. But the court's liberal members kept coming back to the plain text of that law, which says it is a crime to, quote, obstruct, influence, or impede any official proceedings. So we'll have a decision in this case by June, and could have a big impact on many defendants who have been sentenced under this law, maybe even Donald Trump, but prosecutors feel that they have enough evidence outside of what the other protesters had done to continue that case. Rebecca?
A lot riding on that decision. Okay, Terry, thank you.